Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of car care with a product that's making waves in the industry. Hey there, folks! Today, we're taking a closer look at the Chemical Guys CLD_101 All Clean Plus Citrus-based all-purpose super cleaner. Now, if you're a car enthusiast like me, you know the importance of keeping your vehicle looking pristine, both inside and out. And that's where this little gem comes in. Let's start by talking about what sets this product apart. The Chemical Guys All Clean Plus is not your average cleaner. It's a versatile, citrus-based formula that packs a punch when it comes to cutting through dirt, grease, and grime on just about any surface. Whether it's your car's exterior, interior, or even underneath the hood, this cleaner has got you covered. It's safe to use on a wide range of materials, from plastics to metals to fabrics. One of the standout features of this product is its foaming technology. Unlike traditional cleaners, the All Clean Plus is blended with foaming agents that penetrate deep into cracks and crevices, ensuring a thorough clean every time. But don't just take my word for it. Customers around the globe are raving about the effectiveness of this cleaner. From engine bays to stubborn stains on upholstery, it gets the job done, leaving surfaces looking like new. Now, you might be wondering how to use it. Well, it's simple. The All Clean Plus ships at full strength, but it can be easily diluted to suit your cleaning needs. Whether you're tackling a tough stain or just doing some routine maintenance, this cleaner is up to the task. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best car wash snow foam, look no further than the Chemical Guys CLD_101 All Clean Plus Citrus-based all-purpose super cleaner. Trust me, your car will thank you for it. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy cleaning!